Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be filming my June Boxycharm. I'm super excited. I did have a peek. I know I'm so bad, but this month I do love how they brought back this cards. We're going to go right into it. Here is this month's theme here. I love it how the cards are like this. I just really like these so much better. I think they're way more classier. I don't know, just cuter, right? And this month's box, guys, like, seriously, look at all this stuff. Like, this is a lot of stuff. Let's get just right into it. Right. First things first, we're going with the lashes. And this is the Beddington Monroe Silk Lashes. These originally retail for $28. Oh my god. That's crazy. I am really excited to have some lashes. Oh my god. I think I'm going to reuse this box too for some of my other lashes I have. I don't always wear lashes. When I do, it's normally to film a video. But this is what they look like here. Super pretty. Next, we have a Sol de Janeiro product. It is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And this is originally $10 for this little tiny thing. I know I hear a lot of people talk about this. I'm going to be giving this away to a friend because I cannot use it, but this is a very, very popular item. But look how cute this is. That is definitely a really good item to get in a box. So I'm going to put this back here. Next is a Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion brush set, and it originally retails for $42. I absolutely love getting Luxie brushes. Can I get it open? These feel so nice. Luxie brushes are definitely some of my favorite. I love getting them both in Boxycharm and in Ipsy, but oh, I love these. So we have three. We got the Tapered Highlight, we have the Precision Foundation, and the Duo Fiber Brush, which I actually really need another Duo Fiber Brush, so I'm actually really pumped to get these. Like I said, I love Luxie brushes. These are absolutely amazing. Duo Fiber, Tapered Highlight, and that's the foundation one. So super, super nice. Luxie brushes are just, honestly, they're really, really great. And I also love that they're pink. Next, I did get an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this retails for $21. I'm super excited to get an Ofra product. I really don't have that many. I found them to be kind of up there in price, but it's a super pretty nude shade. It's in the shade Verona. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, this is my color. Oh, it's got a little icky on it, but this is definitely my color. Like, it's like a darker nude. Super pretty. Really like that for $21. That's expensive. But you know. Next is this Jonte Blue Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. This retails for $5. I actually have another one of these, except it's the regular one, and I actually really like it. But I'm actually really pumped to have a waterproof version, because the regular one, I love how black it is, but it does smear a lot. So I'm actually really, really happy and hope that this one is just as smoothing, so hopefully. Last but not least, this is what I'm most excited about. This is the Alamar, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, Reina del Caribe. I'm not really sure how to say that, I'm so sorry. But it retails for $28. Either way, if you're a Kathleen Lights fan, her friend Gabby made this line, and oh my god, this palette, ooh, I've been so excited for. Oh my god, this is so, oh my god, if I can get it open. This is so beautiful. I actually really like this whole book style packaging. And these colors are definitely the colors that are in right now. I love that you get the pops of blue, you get some nude shades, you get some warm shades. Like, this is so, so perfect. I'm actually getting some vibes of like that new, what's that Urban Decay palette. And I almost got that, but then when I saw that we were getting this in Boxy, I obviously didn't get it. And I'm really glad I waited. But how cute is this? And I love the packaging. I actually like it. I know they said they went cheap on the packaging, but I really like this kind of packaging. I think the color's cute. I absolutely love this kind of tropical print, but this is great. Like, this was like one of my best boxes. So just to go over it again, you got the palette. We have the 3 Luxie brushes here. The Bum Bum Cream, which is fantastic. The lashes. The Ofra Liquid Lipstick, as well as the eyeliner. And this is a dark gray, by the way. If I didn't say, this is a dark gray eyeliner. But yeah, this month was amazing. I absolutely love all the goodies. I hope you guys got your chance to get your hands on this. Now, this is a really, really great month, I think. I think this is a great box. But yeah, hopefully next month we'll just keep getting better and better. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.